What's going on, everybody? Matt Manduke here, and today is a very beautiful day. Today is Monday, March 19th, and I'm here in Laurel Lake, New Jersey because I'm outside of my house, which I have been prepping to sell, which if you watched yesterday's episode, then you have seen that. However, today, because it's such a beautiful day, I just can't resist. I'm going out to the Maurice River Bluffs, and I'm going to check out those new trails. I want you to check them out too, so I'm going to take you with me. So this is the Maurice River Bluffs, and as you can see, it is a very beautiful place to be. I have done other videos out here, and it's still not quite green outside, but there are some greenery that is coming into play. The middle of March now. By this time next month, everything will be green, but there is still some green because there's evergreen, and it's the beginning of spring. Or it's about to be. We're only a couple days away. The 21st is the first day of spring, and I'll be happy to be doing a video then, but it's supposed to snow on the 21st. So today is a day to check out the Maurice River Bluffs, and I'm going to show these new trails that I've already actually checked out, but I want you guys to see. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you out there because they're not immediate to this area. I think that I'm going to be walking the whole park. Now hopefully you guys are sticking with me as far as watching on a daily basis. Trying my best. I haven't missed a day since I signed up for the daily basis, which was pretty good seeing how I started just before I went on vacation. If you're interested in traveling and off-grid lifestyle, this is the channel for you because I'm real. I have next to no income. I actually, you see my living situation with the shed and the van. I make $600 a month. Sometimes I make $500 a week. It depends on what time of year it is and what jobs I'm working. But I own a house, but it's crap. If you're interested in how to travel on a budget, it may not be all the time, but if you're interested in what things you can do locally, I would be the guy to watch. Wow, this is a pretty involved trail. And for any of you regular watchers, yes, I'm wrecking my brochies. Alright, so where I'm at now is actually at the end of the yellow trail, and it's almost to the highlight of where the new trail that I actually want you guys to see. So, fountain here, which is a fresh spring. If you have a filter, I recommend that you use it, but I have drank from it and I'm not sick. So it's always flowing because it is a spring and somebody put a pipe into it, so it tastes a little rusty. But if you need to clean up, wash off, cool off, that is cleaner water than the river is. Now, what I wanted to show you is if we're walking away from the riverfront there and we head up the sand area, there's a trail. You make a right and it just heads off in this general direction. I liked this so much when I went on it that, like I said, I wanted to show you guys. So that's why I'm here today. New trail at the Maurice River Bluffs, and does seem like it's more of a mountain bike type trail. But I like that tree. I like those kinds of trees where they're like not rotten. The trail, they must have changed it because when I came on it the first time, you actually walked up through this stream, and now it's not. But maybe something fell on it, I don't know. But that was what I liked most about it, was you actually walked up the stream. As you can see, this is a fairly secluded and nice hike. Whether it's for a single person or for a couple, it's not bad. It's something that you can actually enjoy, and the scenery is just exquisite. Alright, so now at the edge of the preserve, you can see some houses here. This is actually about as far as the hiking trail could possibly go. You might be able to get a little bit closer, and it might actually get a little bit closer, but I like the way they extended the park as far as it could go. I don't like that I can see houses, but I do like that it's to the edge of the property of the park, which is actually ideal because you want to go you want to go into the woods and go as far into the woods as you can. It just thinks that as far as into the woods as you can go from the parking lot is actually somebody's backyard, but they got a pretty cool backyard, so I can't really complain about that. Alright guys, that's the end of the yellow trail, and what you are seeing now is the white trail. See, that's the entrance to the yellow trail. This is the white trail. I'm not doing the white trail. I'm actually going to hightail it back to the parking lot where I'm parked.